'Cause I got a very long guest list, but it's only you that I'm gonna miss. Yes, I got a very long guest list, but you know there's only one person that I will miss so much, baby. That I'm gonna miss, that I miss so much, baby. I know I sounded so professional, I told her our relationship was not gonna work. But you should know that I was punching myself in the moment you walk out the door. 'Cause I got a very long list, but I know there's only one person that I'm gonna miss. 'Cause I got a very long guest list, but it's only you that I'm gonna miss. 'Cause I got a very long guest list, but you know there's only one person that I will miss so much, baby. That I miss so much, baby. I'm gonna miss you so much if you don't come. I know that I let you down, babe. I'm down, babe. Oh, only one person that I will miss so much, baby. So much, baby. Yeah, I will miss you so much. I'm gonna call it a day. Let's make a party for two. Why don't we just get away? You're gonna miss you so much. I'm gonna call it a day. Let's make a party for two. 'Cause I got a very long guest list, but it's only you that I'm gonna miss. Yes, I got a very long guest list, but you know there's only one person that I will miss so much, baby. And I don't wanna be lonely when winter is freezing and trees start to bolt. And I don't wanna be sitting alone in a room that's just filled with my soul. And so I came to this place, I'm looking for a familiar face, and that's when I saw you. 'Cause you don't know me and I don't know you, but it breaks my heart. You looking so blue on the last of the year. I just picked your name on the coffee cup, but a stroke of luck the guy just messed up and gave your cup